Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia 1.3 and today I'll show you a couple of tweaks and tricks you can do on this device. So, starting off, we're going to begin with the dark theme, which can be accessed through the settings, display, and the toggle right here. When you enable it, it will turn system-wide dark theme. Now this will also change things like your dialer into dark mode, messages, and basically majority of the default apps, as you will be able to almost see, apparently. So let's see. There we go. Chrome as well. So yeah, if you like to have a little bit of a darker appearance to your device, then there is your solution. Now moving on to the next one, it's going to be the display size. Now this is more designed for elderly people or visually impaired ones. What will allow you to do is basically make text and all the content on the device a little bit bigger. Now again, it's under the display. When you tap on advanced, you should see the display size, and in here when you drag it, you can see the automatic change. So this changes the actual text size along with basically everything on the device, arrows, literally everything. And you can push it even further. Let me just quickly shrink it though. So you can even push it further if you wanted to by going into the font size, and here increasing the font size as well. So this will increase the text on top of the display size, so it will make it even bigger. So that is something that you want to do. Then you can change those two options right over here to make everything bigger. And then moving on to the next option, it's going to be the animation speed. Now this device is probably one of the slowest one I have used in a while. So changing animation speed to basically off would be, I would say, beneficial. It would remove a lot of that jank that the device experience with super low specs. So let's go into the settings. From there, let's go all the way down to about phone. And from here, you're looking for build number. So there we go, right at the bottom. Tap on that 7 times and it will give you a message that you are a developer right now. So we can go back and go into the system, advanced, and we should have developer options in here. From here you want to scroll down and you're looking for window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animation duration scale. So by default they're all 1, but you can change them to for instance 0.5, which will already increase or improve how it looks like, or simply toggling them off, which is what I'm gonna do right here, because any kind of animation here, no matter how fast, will still make the phone look a little bit jank, because it's just too slow in my opinion to do anything else. And then going into the last option is adding additional toggles to your notifications. So you can see by default I believe there is only 3, which you are free to add more. Some of them will appear if you use them. So for instance, if you enable something like tethering, it will be added on the next page. There's only 3 per page right here, but you can tap on the pencil right here and add some of the toggles yourself. So for instance, you can tap localization right there. Let's see, dark theme, so you can toggle it quickly on and off whenever you want. Maybe something like Bluetooth. So whatever you will be using, you can drag it over to have a quick access to it. And from there you can see that we now have 2 pages based on the dot, and we can move it to the other side, and now we have the toggles right over here. So just a nice way to add toggles that you might frequently use and want to have quick access to them. But that being said, this will conclude all the tweaks and tricks that I wanted to share, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.